Good morning, children. Here is your science teacher to tell you about the importance of the day. That is 28th of July. This day is observed as World Nature Conservation Day. It is celebrated internationally to increase awareness about the best practices to protect our natural resources. The earth is provided and supplied a limited amount of resources that we all rely upon each day, like water, air, soil, natural vegetation, and many more. World Nature Conservation Day recognizes that a healthy environment is the foundation for a stable and productive society and to ensure the well-being of present and our future generations. We all must participate to protect, to conserve, and sustainably manage our natural resources. Along with these resources, we should also keep in mind that our animal and plant resources need to be conserved. Thousands of animals and plants all over the world are disappearing every day. A lot of it is due to human activities such as clearing the forest and pollution and careless disposal of waste. As we are observing World Nature Conservation Day today, so being the residents of this earth, we have some responsibilities to conserve it. So here are some practices which we can follow at our home to protect our environment. First important thing is the 3Rs method. It stands for reduce, recycle and reuse. They are the basis of conservation today. Try to buy reusable and biodegradable products as much as possible. Buy less and use less. When you buy something, make sure that the packaging is made in eco-friendly way. Start a garden around your house. Explore the possibility of growing some food items at home. Start a compost pit to transform household waste such as food waste and biodegradable items into earth-rich material. Here I am preparing a compost pit at my home garden. This is a very good method for disposing of kitchen waste and other biodegradable waste. In composting, kitchen waste is collected in a deep pit, or we can use pot which I have used, which is covered with the soil. In time, the waste rots and becomes compost. This compost is high-grade fertilizer, and this fertilizer is used for growing plants. In my home garden, I am using this fertilizer, and the food which grows by using this compost, that is called organic food, which is very good for our health. In reuse method, reuse items such as plastic cups, plates, utensils, etc. as much as possible. If at all you are using them, they may not cost much to replace, but reusing will surely benefit the environment. As I have used these coconut shells to beautify my garden, you can also try that. Okay, use cloth bag instead of plastic bags. Reuse gift wrapping papers. Paper is made by cutting down trees. Conserve paper by using both sides of the paper for writing. And using unused space in your notebooks for rough work. Save water, reduce the consumption of water and turn off the tap when not in use. When your work is done with an electric appliance, then turn it off. Plant more and more trees and make the planet green. Start growing microgreens for your own kitchen. Microgreens are superfoods loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It produces the quickest edible plants and it requires less sunlight. So children, on this special day, practice these simple ways and create the awareness to make our planet green and conserve our natural resources. Thank you.